Welcome to week 2 of our summer session. I'm Dr. Karen Anderson-Lain once again, and I'm here to provide you a quick overview of what to expect in week 2. So first of all, you're finishing up our first module by taking exam number 1. Exam number 1 is due tomorrow night, so that's Tuesday on July 16th at 11:59 p.m. Remember, the exam is 50 questions in 50 minutes, but it's open book and open note, and there's a review sheet. So make sure your notes are organized and you're ready to go and get the exam done. And again, that's due tomorrow night at 11:59 p.m. The second thing I wanted to talk about then was our main focus area next week, which is Module 2. We will do a quick unit on the basics of public speaking. There are 3 videos called Public Speaking Basics, Part 1, 2, and 3. And then there is a video called Communication Apprehension that is by our guest lecturer, Brian Leisinger. And in that video, he will talk about online activity number 3. He'll call it a bonus activity, but we're going to actually require it this semester. So that is OA number 3. I've also posted directions on the checklist that give you the correct page numbers and all the information you need to get that done. And then you'll also have quiz number 3, which will cover all 3 videos on public speaking basics and communication apprehension. So both the OA number 3 and quiz number 3 are due Sunday, July 21st at 11:59 p.m. So that brings us to the other 2 major assignments that you're going to be learning about this week. The first one is our introductory presentation. You're actually going to do your first individual presentation this week. It's worth 5% of your grade. The great news is there's no research required. The speech is about you. The goal of the speech is for you to introduce yourself a little bit more by picking either a song or an object that somehow describes part of your personality. The focus in the grading is primarily on organization and delivery. You don't need anything fancy for this presentation. You do exactly what I'm doing right now, which is record yourself showing your shoulders and your face so that we can get some ideas of your nonverbal delivery, and we'll primarily be grading on organization. So to help you lay out that organization, I've uploaded a PowerPoint that is introductory presentation assignment details. I have also uploaded a outline of the presentation example, and right after I finish this video, I'll be recording my introductory presentation so that you can see exactly what it looks like. And that will be due on Sunday as well at 11:59 p.m. And again, all of those resources are available for you on Canvas in the Module 2 section. And then finally, you are also going to start to learn this week about your major individual assignment. This is worth 20% of your grade, or 200 points. And this is a persuasive presentation about a social issue that you care about. So last week in OA number 1, we asked you to try to think of a social issue that you care about, because that's going to be one of your topics. Well, this week you have to pick a topic. So a couple of things to keep in mind. A social issue is a big problem that affects a large number of people in a society. So there are a wide range of topics that will fit social issues. It could include things like moral stances, so abortion, stem cell research, whether or not you believe in the death penalty, right? So there's some issues related to moral stances. You can also have social issues that are related to the economy, like issues connected to poverty, not being able to have a living wage, so minimum wage debates, equal pay debates between gender. They can also include everyday behaviors that have an impact on society. So depression and school shootings, or drinking under the influence, or texting while driving. So these kinds of social issues can be local, they can be regional, they can be national, or they can even be global, like climate change. So that gives you a wide variety of social issues to choose from. But here's the key. We are asking you to do a problem solution speech. So you not just have to outline the problem of that social issue and define that social issue, but you have to present a solution to that social issue using an organizational strategy called Monroe's Motivated Sequence. And so to help you out with that, I again have the assignment detail in the CIA for you to read, a PowerPoint that gives you some details about the assignment, and an example. Now for that example, I recorded it the way I record lectures, but when you actually do your presentation, you'll have to do it just like this where we can see your face. But it does include what a PowerPoint might look like, and it really helps you understand the organization and Monroe's motivated sequence. So keep all of that in mind, look at those resources, and this week you simply have to fill out a topic planning form where you pitch us your topic. And it's worth just 10 points, but it's important because it's our first opportunity to give you feedback to see if your topic fits the assignment or not. And if your topic doesn't fit the assignment, there would be still time to change. But that's why we have to do it so early in this 5-week session to make sure we get a good idea and get you a good topic. All right, so take your exam, review all of your materials for Module 2, take Quiz 3, Online Activity 3, record your introductory presentation, get it submitted, and take a first stab at a topic for your social issue presentation with your topic planning form. And that's it for this week. If you have questions, keep texting us. And remember, you could always request a face-to-face meeting or a virtual meeting. Just let us know that you need help. Have a great week.